Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make your LinkedIn profile private. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open your LinkedIn profile. Okay, then you need to click on your profile icon on the top left, and here you need to click on settings in the bottom, and here you can see account preferences. You simply need to click on visibility, click on that, and here you can see profile viewing options, click on that, and here you can see your profile. So this is the data that anyone can see, but I want to private my account. Click on you will be in complete private mode, click on that, and after that no one will be able to see my profile on LinkedIn, and this is the way my profile will be shown to anyone if someone visit my LinkedIn profile. So this is a process by which you can private your LinkedIn profile. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.